These are Jacques clothes fasteners. There's a left side and a right side. This is a demonstration of how Jacques clothes fasteners work. They slide onto the pants. You tighten them up. They're made out of 304 stainless steel. They're non-corrosive in the way of it and for non-slip. That's the way Jacques clothes fasteners work. In the way of it, to go tighter, you pull them out further. To go looser, you bring them in closer. That's how Jacques clothes fasteners work. They're very simple and efficient. As you'll understand, there's no string in these pants. There's just a hole. There's no string. Sometimes there's motorcycle shorts, and sometimes there's surf shorts. And say if you're a size 38 and you've dropped down to a size 32, it could get expensive. They can reach up to about $80 for those shorts Australian. So I came up with these clothes fasteners. They're multi-fit, universal size, universal sex, all ages, at least 6+. They're pretty good. That's all I can show you about that. Quick couple of seconds. Here's a copy of the commercial invoice that they're commercially sold. It only cost me $16. In that for part A, part B, part C, part C left and right is 3, 3, 2 and 2. So $16. Not too bad.